Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a multiple choice question in pair 2 of DSE about arithmetic and geometric sequences. So this question, okay, I'm afraid is about geometric, right? So geometric sequence. Good. And then A3 equals 21. So that's why A1 times R squared equals 21. And then A1 times R to the power of 6 equals 189. So equation 2 divided by equation 1. So we'll have R to the power of 4. 9, good. So since 4 okay is an even number, so we're going to have so R squared equals 3 or negative 3. And then negative 3 should be rejected. And then after that, R okay would be plus or minus square root 3. And then here, okay, I am afraid this problem very tricky. Be careful about this plus or minus. So for R squared equals 3, so we have the positive and negative square root. Sure, be careful. And then of course, okay, actually, okay, in doing the fourth root, so we try to square root both sides from the equation R to the power 4 equals 9. Already we need to deal with the positive square root and the negative square root already, but this is rejected. Most important of all, here we have two possible values of R. Right. So that's why here statement 1. Statement 1, R, if R, so here we can have R equals negative square root 3. So definitely this is less than 1, but another one, okay, so that will be R equals square root 3 equal to bigger than 1. So that's why statement 1 must be true. Don't forget, must be true. So that's why statement 1 may not be true. Okay, so statement 2, some of the terms, okay, are irrational numbers. Okay, that makes sense because, okay, if you go on, okay, so A1 times 3 equals 21. So that's why A1 equals 7, no matter what R is, because R squared equals 3. Yep. So that's why A2, it could be 7 times square root 3 or 7 times negative square root 3. So in that case, okay, so there will be plus or minus 7 square root 3. And then of course, okay, this is this is irrational. So that's why statement 2 is correct. Yeah, that's a must because option A and C are ruled out. So that's why statement 2 must be correct. So statement 3, so sum of the first, so that will be S99. So that's why they require sum. So here two cases. A1 is 7. And then times square root 3 to the power of 99 minus 1 over square root 3 minus 1 or 7. So this is quite tricky. Over negative square root 3 minus 1. Okay, so square root 3 to the power of 99 minus 1 times 7 over square root 3 minus 1. So for the first one, okay, it will be 3.96 3318044 times 10 to the power of 24. For this, okay, so this is more than, oh yeah, that's correct for the first case, but don't forget we have the second case. This is particularly important. So this one, okay, will be 1.06 only. 1.06196769 times 10 to the power of 24. And then for this, okay, so you can see if you try to compare this part with 3, so you can see it may not be the case. Okay, so that's why statement 3 may not be true. So that's why you can see for question 36, the correct option would be option B. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.